brother.
Sheena did left Phillip. Then say if you Phillip left.
Long time. Yeah, we live long time.
Power tap the screen, guys. Everybody tap up the screen. Sheena new house. Sheena new house, the guys. That's. Never say, look. Then see.
Let's show you how good no.
And Sheena cook. So make the next way you cook.
Show him. Let me show him, man. Thank you, man. You get that blow in the show him, bro. Let me cook. Go, brother. No, why not here? Then I'll leave you. You have to go to the brother. Leave up, money for you. You have to leave it. That's what to do. Here. Here come Jamie. See, but they go right down there boy. Go right down there the field boy. Right now they have a pan. What you say now? We go right down there with the pan. But that bone up me on that. Me put that bone up me on. What you say? We are cooking.
Empty pot that Sheena.
No, me a cook me rice.
Sheena cook.
Me not ready yet. The peas have to boil first.
The peas have to boil first.
And then we done the rice after.
And then you put on your rice after. And good. Then say you're a good housewife. Sit down back there. Then say you're a good housewife.
What?
Say you're a good housewife.
I
tell you.
No.
It a bubble up.
Oh, you know that?
They say it a bubble up.
They see it.
Good morning, my friend Sheena. Tell him good morning.
Good morning. I say no, Phillip now. Phillip, I'm handicapped, you know?
So I wish I foot your bite off it to them off.
They think when you all walk there.
Yeah, you handicap foot. Your foot was shaped like Z. We want to see Phillip foot.
When he come back?
You're not even follow we, but you want to see foot. Come on for we bum buckler alive. People can't say no one rose, but you want to see foot. I be no love free entertainment, so. I want to know how watch other live, I know if you pay for watch it, I know if you send gift. I want to know I get free entertainment and a request what you know as we do. What can go so?
Yes, I eat it, brother.
So I'm not going to take on free entertainment and go on easy. Some big up yourself. Power tap a screenshot and touch you at me and join the team and follow the page. There you go.
You take the gun go. Well, I'm go. You cut.
Sheena go look. Eh?
Come on, yeah.
Go and go look on the pattern and come to Sheena, man. Sheena go look on the pattern and come back. Pookie big up yourself. 1 key of badness. Now tap up the screen and follow the page chat. Make reach 10k likes. 1 Sheena badness, you know. We are bus back Sheena. We are make Sheena get one phone and sit here now like in left dirty batty man Phillip. You know, say a machine, Phillip mash up Sheena phone and Sheena fuck and get in rabbit and Phillip kill Sheena rabbit and boil soup. And that's why Sheena nearly kill him yesterday and bite off in little tour and burn up his bed them. Right now Sheena burn up his bed and he close them every pussy claw thing. One anti-crux Sheena man, anti-crux. Boil soup. I don't know if I boil soup or cook soup or fry soup, you know. Or stew soup. I just know Sheena say a soup. That Sheena fuck and get in rabbit boy kill rabbit boil soup. Sheena just fuck him up and bite off into them. I don't know how I'm to him. Sheena is best. You know hear Sheena saying you want back Phillip because you want him to beat again. You know finish beat him at for rabbit. Summer, big up yourself. Summertime. Big up yourself, summertime. What a judgment did I go on yesterday? Him never go jail. No man, remember say Sheena them sick in us, so they not go lock them up for long. Then we all just have them all there and try chick them. You know when they try chick somebody if they not do what they just do. Like that they did have Sheena and that till they let him go. I want Sheena go back to what town where he come from. But Sheena say, nah, go back to now what town. So Sheena come find back Gilly on the hill. You see me? Yeah, trick mad people. Yeah, say police and do them trick him like say Ray. You know them way they. And then I lock them up for all one time and just let you out. Say, go on here, yard. New man now, sir. Sheena usually there with Gilbert before Phillip. So man, Phillip fuck up saying just come back to Gilbert. Cook Sheena and Gilbert there.
Phillip has a black phone, liar boy. And kill me boy, the rabbit.
And do what with the rabbit?
Now kill him, I am brother. I'm missing your phone, I carry your phone.
Oh God, man.
The guy, man. Hey, man, you're like, go ugly.
What's up?
All right.
Hmm?
Like that,
Yo, what's up? What's up? Me not hear you. What's up?
In there.
You there?
Alright.
Alright. You want to play one better? One match?
Yes.
One match?
Where are you?
Me not know none. Ready to beat you. Me ready to beat you.
Go.
You will beat me.
Good.
You batty boy. You little boy. Go suck off yourself, man. You guys, eerst give his driemaal. Wat willen deze aap niet horen? Guys, eerst give his driemaal. Laten we een glove hier maken, toch? Guys, kom op. Eerst give his driemaal, guys. Laten we een glove hier maken. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Iedereen samen spelen, guys. Samen spelen. Thank you. Samen spelen. Laten we een glove hier maken, guys.
Huh?